morning, my name is Bauer. I'm a product manager at Bauer Systems for the playout system, for the PCS system, and also for the news production. Today we're talking about getting news live from the field directly into a radio show. And for this I will have to switch my roles very quick. So now I'm going to be a reporter from the field. I'm live at the IBC and I'm producing my news there. So what I'm going to do is I will go to the database manager. No, actually I want to go to the content manager, which is the web version of the database manager. I want to open a project that I've been working on over the browser bridge. That means I can open a desktop app from the browser. So this is done by a link up here. So click on this link, and even from the browser, without any file shares in the background, we can open the project in the new MTE7. So here you can see my project, and this is the recordings I've been made, and I've created some small news entries out of that. And I think two of them, the one about the theater and the one about the S-Bahn, are so interesting that I want them to be in the radio show as soon as possible. So for this I will go to the schedule screen. I will just grab them, pick them and put them in the order that I like. I will click one button, export schedule, and then they are already on the way to the moderator in the studio. So now I have to switch roles again. Now I'm the moderator, and I just got a call from my colleague reporting live from the IBC. He said, oh, there's a very interesting content. So now as the moderator, I'm working in the Turbo player, and I've already written my intro and my outro for this story now. So I'm saying that I'm Alexandra, that I'm hosting the radio show for Bauer Systems at the IBC, and that I'm expecting this content from my colleague. And as I got this call, I just have to click on one button to load this content, and I see that there's two audio items, which I just will put in between my intro and my outro. And now I got a beautiful story, which contains the intro, then this report about the S-Bahn, and then the outro. So let's get the theater up here again. So now this is a meaningful story. Now I can go ahead, and as I don't want to talk live, I can also pre-record my intro. So this is what I'm going to do now. I will just click record, and then I will say, this is Alex Bauer hosting the Bauer Systems radio show live from the IBC 2017. In a few moments I'm expecting to get very interesting content from a colleague who is walking around the show taking interviews. Those will be edited in MTE, and I want to use these content in my show afterwards. So as you can see, this has now switched into an audio entry. Before that it has been a pure text entry. Now, without having the need to talk, I can just fire this entry, for example, from the mixing console, and you can see it's running, it's live on air. And as I'm in the automatic mode, my complete story will run without any interaction of me. So this is, I guess, a really fast and easy way to collaborate between a live reporter and a host in the studio. Thanks!